Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a SIM card from your iPhone. So let's get started. So when it comes to removing a SIM card on any iPhone, first thing is you'll need the SIM ejector tool, which is a tool like this. Generally comes in the box. If you open up a box and you'll see it inside here, there's a little pamphlet, and underneath there, the SIM card ejector tool will be there. Now don't worry, if you don't have this one, you can also take a paper clip and just bend it like this and it'll create a similar sort of tool. Or if you have a earring piece, you can also use that as well. So once you have that, all you're going to do is, let's show you, take the SIM card. You have to locate where the SIM card is. Depending on the model, the newer iPhone, it's on the left side. This is where the SIM slot is. On the older iPhone, it's going to be on the right side. So you have to look for that little pin. So once you locate that pin, you're going to take that SIM ejector tool. You're going to give it a nice push. Gentle push, and you'll hear a click, and that's going to pop the SIM card out, and you can go ahead and see the SIM card out just like that. And then to put it back in, same exact thing, you line up the hole and then you press it back in, and that's going to remove it and install it for you. Now on a phone like this one, it's on the right hand side, same exact thing. You take the tool, you just put it in there. You don't have to do it too hard, just give it a gentle push. Sometimes it has to be a little bit firm, and then that will pop out the SIM card as well. And usually you can see the SIM card, some of them on the right side are going to be upside on where the logo's up front and there's a cut corner, and then you just put it back in if you needed to put a new SIM card or remove an old one. But that's how you can go ahead and remove SIM cards on your iPhone. Again, really simple. Just locate the hole on the left or the right side, and then take the tool or a paper clip and just push it in there and it will pop it out. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.